Greetings, Saber fans. It's your Megtooth Sith. And this week we've got a show for you. We got Benji Graham, who thinks he's a funny guy.
All right.
And ask yourself, can you really trust somebody you don't even know who they really are? Who is this Lando Sabers? Is his name even Lando? That's a Star Wars character's name.
Hold on. You missed my dad doing a laundry drop off, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he snuck in and threw clothes on the couch. I was like, dude, all right, cool.
You mean your bed?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It is what it is. Drink it in. He lays the exact same way. Just looks right up. That's a little scratch and sniff. That's what they call it.
I'll try one. Let's try.
Excuse me, Mr. K-Sith. I just purchased one of your sound thoughts, and when I loaded it up on my saber, the blade was green. Please help.
Please help. That's my favorite. Please help.
Is my main man who betrays his entire human race to go clap alien cheeks. Respect.
Bullshit Arduino bullshit. I'm losing my shit because of how much I've been dropping things lately. I'm so over dropping everything I have, like literally tools. I misjudged how I was going to get this to work, but it will fit. There's 28 in there. You know what I mean? The 28 will fit.
This man, I'm just saying, can he be trusted? I'm calling him out right now. Calling you out right now, Lando. You want some? You know where to find me. Meet at the Waffle House parking lot and settle this like men. Bring your sabers. Challenge you to a saber duel. Loser deletes his channel.
Come join us and meet Benji Graham. We'll see how funny he is. See y'all on Tuesday night at 8:30.